As many Free State residents continue to experience the adverse weather conditions in the comfort of their homes, some have no choice but to bear the cold outside as their houses have been destroyed by strong winds. Roofs were blown off and some had to move their property and sleep at their relatives' houses. It was a frightening experience and residents were concerned about their kids' safety. So this thing started around 6 on Sunday in the evening, and when my roof caved in, I had to move my things to my aunt's house. She says this strong wind started on Sunday morning and they started worsening in the evening. She went to bed but could not sleep, and around 5 in the morning, she heard a loud noise and discovered that her roof was blown off. She was scared and couldn't do anything. The South African Red Cross Society in the province will provide aid to the affected households.
I'm happy to see that there isn't so many households affected at the site, particularly in the Edenburg. So after today, then we will just go and consolidate the whole report for the whole province, and then we then come and provide humanitarian relief to the affected communities.
With snowfall experienced in the eastern part of the province, motorists have been warned to practice caution as roads may be icy and slippery.
We are accessing area whereby the snow started falling. This snow actually started yesterday at Wetsisuk Mountain Lodge Road. We are from that area and the road is not movable to Wetsisuk Mountain Lodge. Now we are humbly requesting our community around Tseseng just to be cautious, particularly we know that there is a challenge of electricity here when the weather is like this. They must keep calm and stay in houses. We also request them to keep children away from fires.
According to the South African Weather Service, the cold and windy conditions with localized snowfall are expected to persist until Wednesday, with the weather system and associated showers clearing up on Thursday. Kamohelo Tsotetsi, SABC News, Bloemfontein.